Tired of slogging over hours of 3D modeling hell? Today I'll show you a tool that's a cheat code to creating customized 3D models even a beginner can follow, teaching you how to turn any concept to a 3D model using Rodin-Gen AI, which also has a ControlNet feature for finer control unlike other tools which we'll be covering. To 3D print or import in your projects for a cool animation. So let's hop on to Hyperhuman. All links will be mentioned below. Sign up here and you can check your credits. Let's click on text input and describe our character Robot Panda, specifying its style and material. Then click on the check. Here cycle through images and choose the preferred one and generate. We get a preview in seconds. If you're happy, click confirm and you can choose the amount of polygons the model will have for higher quality. Now let's generate again to get the texture and confirm. Download the model in STL format for printing and look at this. Amazing, right? As thanks to my brother for printing this, I'll design a katana holder for his sword, specifying its function in the prompt, resulting in an amazing design. I'll also design a ship themed cup as well. A high reference strength of 0.9 to 95 works well for a result matching the image, and we get a detailed model adhering closely to our prompt. Now let's generate some unique characters for our animation project, describing a zombie chicken in my prompt, cycling through images to find one in a T-pose or arms spread apart for animation. Let's generate it and put a tick on hyper before generating for a high poly model with finer detail. Let's download the character as an OBJ. But now I want high quality textures, so let's click the plus icon and upload a detailed mecha fox generated on Leonardo AI to create the model with. Let's try the same image prompt here as well to compare the difference between style and resolution. So remove it and we can now generate or even choose to add an image of the mecha wolf in a different view for more control over our model's output texture and geometry by selecting multi-view here and generate, going through the same process for a great output. We'll generate one using text to 3D as well. On comparing the two, the geometry is superior in text to 3D, apt for 3D prints, whereas image to 3D is better for detailed textures and animations, providing flexibility for both. Also, sometimes certain styles can't be generated using text to image. I've uploaded a cool mushroom car from Leonardo, showing the difference in both the inputs. Let's generate now to get this unique mushroom car. Here's one of a character from Peaky Blinders using this input image. Let's try the same with text to 3D and generate. It's a little wide for my liking. We can fix it using the bounding box control feature by decreasing the width of our model and redo. Perfect. It also has a point cloud and voxel feature you can check out if you want models to be bound to the geometry of an existing model, like I've done here in putting my 3D model to point cloud to get matching geometry for my output. And uploading the same model to voxel to get my output in preferred geometry. After getting our OBJ files for animation, head to Mixamo and upload the character model to rig it by aligning these circles to the joints and press next. Now search for any animation on the left and download it. We'll do this for all our characters. Now we'll import these into a rendering software like Spline, so import and select 3D model to upload any of our FBX animation. Now click on the character and scroll down to this arrow, then select image to upload the texture image here provided with the OBJ file. Finally export as a GIF or any preferred format. We'll repeat this for our infamous zombie chicken and our other characters as well. At last, we'll compile them in an editing software, importing a background image we generated, also adding our animations and adjusting their size and placement with some sound effects to get this.
Now clap it up for our next dancer, Mr. Chicken Bot from Zombie Farm.
Hey, that's not a robot, it's a zombie. Somebody shoot it.
So check out Rodin for yourself using my link for 50% bonus credits on the plan. Until then, see you in the next one.